How to create an account in Telegram. Now in order to create an account in Telegram, just simply open your Telegram app and then tap to this Start Messaging button. After that, you need to enter your phone number in this box. Just simply enter your phone number with the country code and tap to this button right here. And after doing that, this page will appear where you need to enter an email address in order to receive confirmation code. Just simply enter your email address or use your Google account. Let me use my email address right here and tap to this button. And after that, you will receive a confirmation or the verification code in your email. Simply enter that code in here. And after entering the code, it will automatically be verified and you will receive another code or call in your phone number. You need to pick up that call and then listen to the confirmation code or the verification code that the call tells you, and then you need to enter that code in here. And after entering the code, you will successfully be in this page where you can set up your profile name. Firstly, set up the first name, anything that you would like, or just your name, and tap to this button, and this way you can very easily create your account in Telegram. I hope this video was informative. If yes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.